Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be a crosses you have over your master.
Yeah, and she first class me Aaron. Yeah, that's what the people I'm say Twep. The people I'm saying never class her and she someone say you never call her name. She say you never call her name. But the two I only need for done because the end of the day, so she for class me and me not for. No, you not for sit down because the end of
But
the day you
Blondi,
have feelings, doll. The end of the day you have feelings.
where I say?
No, me I said the end of the day it not look good. The people them say I never call her name when I talk about the floor sleeping situation or
I
whatever.
know that's the
And,
problem.
and she said, you never call her name, but you know, say, are you, she attack. You know, me love the two on her, and I said that again, and the two on her, my friend. When me there run cheese, me never ever hear cheese bring her down. And when you there here, me never hear you say anything bad about her yet.
Blondi,
Yeah, doll.
you know what caused all of this? One
One.
girl on TikTok when named China.
Mm-hmm.
See me and Matic over there. When me and Cheese did have the big argument with the couscous and baby shower couscous. She in the comment section and rub. Me not follow her, me not carry her.
That are the China
The
person.
China person, listen now. Me and Matic over TikTok I do with TikTok and with them on live and whatever. She keep on a rub way under the live. So I say, from me and the girl used to have argument, you under her live and rub me, and you come over your Saudi. Why your problem? So
Mm-hmm.
my address her. I address the girl, you know. She's take it up. Me not call her name, me not no time for the live when
That's
me
what
address
she
the
say,
girl.
and the people them say that
She
too.
say, them send me a video clip. She say, when you're classy girl, you talk about when you're pregnant, everybody are running down. Are you ready for them now? You ready for the war? Me ready when you're ready. How is it me I gonna
If
say me
you say
ready
that,
for?
then means that
I
cheese
never
your
call your
talk.
name.
You never call her name.
So me
Yeah,
keep my,
other people always are in a war.
you understand? So me over the live now over TikTok and me I say, girl, me feel like say you want to bring cheese in the argument when the
Yeah,
girl now focus on we right now. Cause the girl even depend live and depend cheese I'm a friend. So me say
mm,
nobody not talk about cheese, me talk about me and you and Tanto. You come
exactly.
over here for build a problem, I'ma see it clear. That is what I say on TikTok live and everybody over the ear. I say, why you want to build up a feud? We're dead already.
Ex-
The
oh,
girl depend, you're hungry in America. Tanto go mind your mama. Cheese, I'm a friend. I'm not stop. I say, why you keep on a call cheese name? Like you
oh.
look a
So
back
where
up.
them
That
end
is the
up do
problem.
now? Where the Nadal, them end up wait till when you and the gal, cause them that send cheese them good party, you know.
No.
Them
See the
wait
people
till
them there
when
in the
you and
comment
the
that
gal
says true.
start
Because them
sharing
depend the
now.
live and see. Them depend the live and see. Me have to say to the China girl, say, why you try build up back one energy where dead and gone already?
Exactly.
Why you try build up her energy? But because when we tell her something with that girl there, when him cheese, she not take time out for query a story or
I'ma tell
nothing.
cheese that to
You
sometime
understand?
as
And
a
that is
big
our biggest
man.
problem. And me not gonna be a either because she texts it for me every minute. Every time somebody come to her with my name, she quick for go live
Last
and text
night,
it for me.
if
He's
me,
not an idiot.
you see, if last night, if me would probably take the time out for hear what cheese I say, I could have explained to her, because I know how to talk to cheese, you know. You see, when cheese starts shout, you have to just don't ignore her. Not about you, but me. Like, them I just wait till she done. I'ma say, finish that now. I'ma
All right,
say,
Blondie,
cheese should
listen.
never call her
Listen,
name.
Blondie,
Wait
listen.
now, but I tell cheese again, cheese. The argument was the boy and everything if I pick up on your blood clot head.
Um, tell her to come off of my back already. I'm not take back come say. And it's just the truth because me not understand how an argument to pick up on your own. Y'all are search evidence. So what I'm saying at the live. I never call any.
Yeah,
And then she say, see, when you hear her now, I mean she talk, you know. I know I mean she talk when she say, anytime them ready them for come. I mean she
I
talk.
know you shut
I was
her.
just like,
That and look how much time me and somebody cause I'm on the whole and for come team up and beat me. Another one person that me attack like to be honest, me and nobody else now, of course.
exactly.
See you, Blondie. She's a show
Show a video
that.
that don't even have, because she gone on the video when I go up on YouTube live across China. She just a play a fool of herself. It obviously show you that Kimon wasn't talk. Kimon
Look here, once Twep never
never
call
talk
her
about
name. Somebody not call her name, I can't argue over that. If somebody said people sleep on, me sleep on floor, so me could I get up and say, Twep, I me a blood clot talk when I left, so me sleep on floor. Twep, may I have something? Me could I do that? Look how much other people are here and them not talk sleep on floor.
Then if you ever tell me say me hungry and I one pot of turkey neck you cook and I cook chicken foot gear, you know, I must have tell you you just sleep on floor and then walk over here going to toilet. That's the truth.
Same like how
I'm not
I tell
idiot.
she's a co I say cheese, but if I used to get Twep food, I do something for you when you're not a friend. You don't need to tell her about that. But me
You're
look at me
supposed to
used
tell
to
her
beg
so she
for
sleep
food
on
and them
floor.
something there.
If you ever tell me say me hungry and my pussy stink and yeah, she no more than me, I gotta tell her, you behave.
Exactly, because you have
The truth
feelings.
is just the truth. You never fuck me yet. You know, said I might say, oh, my pussy stink. My face holy. My face favor shit. This and
Mm-hmm.
that. Also, she will talk out of your mouth and me to sit
No,
down. So, no. Me go talk the truth.
because at the end of the day, you have feelings. You have feelings.
All I can say is, I could never come on internet, come address somebody at my birthday.
Whenever I call my name,
When
that's
I call
true.
my name.
To be honest, it's not pick side or nothing. I can't do it either.
You know how much time people come in and my DM come say, she's over there classy, but she not.
Big Bob Blondi use the
But
same
why
thing.
you can't talk?
Remember
Why
my
am I for
situation different. I back to shoot out that one. Yes, remember we mad. Me is the same thing. Me I walk across people for nothing at all. Twep, you ever see me come on live if somebody not call my name and cuss them? Me I walk a come on live if a bitch not call my name. Me I come on live and cuss them. If somebody call your name now, you have all right to step forward for the person call your name. So you step forward and you address the situation.
never know so the sleep on full of hot man.
But me used to sleep on the woman run so dirty clothes them and them something there. Palm bag. To run me could have buy a bed. Mm-hmm. No, sir. But Twep, me there, yeah, so me I take care of your baby. Me I feel like more adjust the situation and I'm more because at the end of the day it doesn't make no sense. You know why me say so? Because you never call her name and the dirty stay bad people I mean the Twep in the comment wanna rub Twep over cheese and then wanna come back over Twep and rub cheese. When one shot with shit. Would I pay somebody for shit, you know? Mm-hmm. But Dolly from girl, me there,